EBOO oil change, extra blood, extracorporeal blood oxidation ozonation. Tim is on his third oil change. You can see we're filtering out all the plaque going down in that oil pan or the waste product canister. This is plaque, cholesterol, inflammatory proteins, and you can see his old blood is very dark and has that plaque in there, and his filtered and ozonated and irradiated blood with the light is nice and oxygenated, the bright pink, because it's basically filtered out of all the nasty gunk stuck in his blood for over 60 years. So what it does, it goes through this filter, which has a large surface area to trap, inflammatory proteins, plaque, cholesterol, viruses, bacteria, spike proteins. And then this ozone generator oxygenates the blood and also disinfects it. And then it goes through 6 colors of UV light: red, green, blue, amber, UVC, UVA, that irradiates and disinfects the blood. When it goes in, it just oxygenates and disinfects the entire system. The reason why we do 3 is because the human body has 6 liters of blood. Each time we do this, we filter out 2 liters, so 2 times 3 is 6. And Tim, could you tell me what research you've done on cleaning out the blood you were talking about earlier?
Like your car,
Yeah.
and if you don't end up changing the oil of your car, then you're going to have some problems. I kept thinking, well, there must be a way to filter a blood yourself, because the things that we eat, the additives, the food additives, the medications, all the other things that they accumulate in your bloodstream, and with that would cause inflammation and heart disease and liver and kidney. So if there was some way, I was looking for some way to hopefully filter out those
Impurities,
impurities.
and prevent
Found
cancer
it.
too, hopefully.
Right.
And we're going to do before and after blood work,
Right.
and you're going to have your blood work after 3 EBOOs, and let's see the difference. So
Right.
we could visually see all the impurities and plaque coming out. Now let's see how it affects your blood work, okay?
Yeah.
And,
I think,
see if you need more.
and I think the other thing too is that when we talk about kind of plaque that's built up in your blood,
Yeah.
and then that goes to your brain. Well, how does that impact? Let's just say
What's Alzheimer's? It's white
dementia.
plaque in your brain.
Correct.
Yeah,
So, and where does it come from? From your blood.
yeah,
So
Uh-huh.
let's jump ahead of all that. So that's
Exactly.
That's what I'm.
yeah.
what
What's the
I'm
number one cause of death in America? Heart disease,
disease.
high blood pressure, stroke, arrhythmias, heart inflammation, myocarditis. Why? Because all the plaque is clogging up your blood vessel like that, but this opens it up so it decreases
Right.
the blood pressure, and then the heart can deliver oxygen to all the cells in your body, which the ozone helps by totally oxygenating and ozonating the blood as well. So everyone should do this. Just like, well, I got an electric car, but when I had a gas car, I changed my oil every 5,000 miles. Otherwise, the oil gets old, thick, it gunks up the system, it's dirty, and your engine explodes. Well, your heart's an engine, and if you don't clean it out, it's going to get dirty, plaqued up, and it'll explode.
Right.
So let's prevent that with the EBOO oil change. That's how we do it.